Let's get started designing the lookbook and learning more about InDesign. Go ahead and go to File, New Document, and go to Print, and then click View All Presets, and we'll select A4. It's okay if you don't have that preset. You can type in these values for the inches. We actually need to flip it so that it's landscape orientation. So click on Landscape Orientation. I'm going to set this to millimeters, so it's 297 millimeters wide by 210 millimeters tall. Make sure Facing Pages is checked, and for this example, we're going to do 16 pages, and for now we'll keep column set to 1. Margins default is fine, the 12.7 millimeters for this example. For the bleed for this one, let's go ahead and go to 18 for 18 points, so 18 PT. And then if I tab to the next one, it should change all those to 6.35 millimeter for the bleed for all that, and we'll leave the slug blank for this one. So once we have that A4 size, go ahead and click Create. And if you want to change the unit of measurement up on the rulers, just go to Edit, Preferences, and then Units and Increments on the PC, or click on InDesign in the top left-hand corner, and then Preferences, Units, and Increments on the Mac. And instead of millimeters, you could try picas, points. I'm going to just set this to inches for this example, and then click OK. And it's still an A4 size, it's just the units of increments are different. And if you don't have this already, go ahead and go to up at the top, Advanced, click Reset Advanced to reset it to the default if needed. Want to make sure we have Pages panel right here, for example, and a couple other panels, and then the object styles, paragraph styles, character styles, and so on. So the Pages panel is really useful, and we can access that by clicking it right there, or of course we can go to Window and then Pages. And so this is an overview of our publication. We can scroll and see that we have page 1 is the cover, and then page 2 and 3 are facing pages. So the second spread is made up of these two pages, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9, and so on. Then all the way to page 16, which is the back cover. We can also go to Layout, and then Pages, and then add a page, insert a page, move a page, duplicate, and so on. But a lot of this is available right here in the Pages panel. You can click the top right-hand corner there and go to Insert Pages, for example, move pages, duplicate, delete, and so on. If we want to delete pages, you can click and drag them to the trash can there, or you can just click them and click the trash can. We can also select multiple pages at once. So if we click this and then hold Shift and then click this one, they're all selected. So I could click and drag it to the trash, or I could click and drag it and move it around to another area of the publication. So for example, if we had something on page 8, I just double click on page 8 here and it navigates to it. I'm just going to add something on here just to differentiate it for now. And let's just say we had a photo or a shape here. We wanted that up where we have page 6. All we'd have to do is click and drag it up, and then there we go. So we don't have to copy and paste content from page to page. We can actually just click and drag these pages to move them around in the publication. We can also hold Control on the PC or Command on the Mac to select various pages at the same time like that. And on the Pages panel here at the bottom, besides creating a new page, delete page, there's also Edit Page Size. And from there, we can quickly change the sizes of pages as well. In the next lesson, we'll be adding some master page customizations up at the top here.